Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle of today. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's the Wednesday, December the 1st, 2021. In this additional, we have 6 extra puzzles, and the first one is a letter Sudoku, the second one 2 stars, and I have already solved the 3 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars. I will do this in a second. And I have done the binary puzzle. This is puzzle number 2, and this is Tectonic with 1 star. Those puzzles I'm not interested. So half of them I will solve, and this will be the last one for today. And this one will be number 3766. Yes, 3766. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Alright, that's my time limit. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here we have a single box. There we have a single box. Always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Yes, I see here dual box. Only one dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 here. So the 2 should be there and the 1 goes here. Triple boxes then. We have a triple box here. And remember, if you see a triple box, the inside box, the box near the middle box, this box could be only the 4 or the 5. Remember this. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Triple box, only 1. Quadra box, I see here also a quadra box. I cannot fill this yet. I need more information to fill this. Alright, only 1 quadra box. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, constructions, whatever you name it. For example, here we have the L shape. The L shape, let me draw this. L shape. Here we have L shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, let me draw this. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? Here we have another one. Rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the Z construction? This Z's. Let me draw this here. Okay. Alright. The Z construction. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. The Z construction. Alright, the Z construction. Do we have more shapes? I believe there's 1 shape left in this puzzle. This shape, yeah, we have only 3 shapes, I believe. Let me draw this. Okay. Alright. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has always the same number as that box. And those are the shapes or figures or structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Why? Because then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright, These two boxes cannot be a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 3 because we have a 3 here. 4 or a 5, this box. Okay. I'm missing the 2 in this W area shape. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. The 2 should be here. Now we have a pair, 4 and the 5. Let me mark this. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 or a 5. Okay. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. I'm missing a 1 in this Z construction. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. Here also we have a pair. 4 and the 5 are left. This box is connected with that box. Should be so 4 or a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me see. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, this is a 3. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Interesting. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yeah. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1 or a 3. We have double 1, double 3 there. Should be a 2. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Okay. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1. This box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 1 in this area. That box can be a 1. And this box cannot be a 1. So 2 boxes left. The 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box, I cannot place a 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it is not the solution to place the 1 here. The only place for the 1 should be there. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 5, 3, 4. I'm thinking. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. The other 2 pair, or the other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. Alright. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? We have a double 4 there. So definitely a 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a double 4? We have a double 4 here. And can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 1 here. Okay. Then. So this 1 is not good. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 5. We have a double 5 here. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright. Okay. Well. Well, now we have a 5 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 5. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 and 4. Yeah. Well, let me think. 2 and 4. 1. 4. Okay. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be 1, and this box should be a 3. Okay. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can be a 2? We have a double 2 there, or double 2 there. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? We have a double 4 there. So definitely a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. This box can also not be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the 1. And the 4, well, I cannot place the 4 here. If I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 4 goes here. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this quadro box for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Okay. And now the difficult part here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place 2 here. The 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Okay. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay, this box can be a 3. This box can be a 5. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 5. A 1 box left in this area for number 1. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2. Can it be a 3? We have a double 3 there. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 1. Okay. Now we have a 1 here. This box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finish in 17 minutes. Alright. Great. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, because for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 70 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.